That's okay. Good morning, guys. So right now, Mom, come here. Me and Mother is spending the day together.
You said come here?
Yes. Say good. Say good morning. Good morning to my mother. We're spending this day together. We're going to the Sherry Shepherd show. She invited me out, so we're going to Wendy's. All right. See ya. She made us this good juice. This is, what is this, Mom? Carrot, ginger,
orange, apple, and lime.
Orange, apple, and lime.
Oh, and ginger turmeric. I said that? Oh, the prayer call.
Oh, and we're listening to the prayer call. We've been listening to this prayer call for like, how long, Mom? For like 13 years? No, almost 20 years.
No, like 13.
Almost 15 years.
Oh, you're right, almost 15.
Almost 15 years, because I know we've been listening to this call a long time because, hold on, let me check this.
Oh, and it's not cold, that's why.
So, I'm making me and my mom our greens for the day. So we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So like that. I don't know if that's good. So after taking 2 tablespoons of cheese, I want a little more. I like putting a lot of chia seeds. So I put 2 tablespoons and a half. And then we're gonna go with the super green powder. It has wheatgrass, kale, moringa, and spirulina. And we're gonna use the same powder. A little more, a little razzle dazzle. And then we're gonna add some lime juice. Just a swig for some flavor. And then we're gonna add some bread and water. Then you fill it up. And this cup is, I think, 16 ounces. So I like to drink a full cup of this in the morning time. And I stir for like a few minutes because the powder has to get in there. You gotta get in there. And then I like to put mine in the fridge for a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey guys, so right now, me and Mom, my damn curls dropped.
My damn.
But right now we are waiting for the woman in the river. We just walked a half a mile.
More than half of a mile.
It's the weather is nice.
Did fast
Nice and rain. I'm tired. I know that's not raindrops.
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Alright, the train should be coming any minute now. Hey guys, so right now we're in the LIR station, the Jamaica one. I'm standing under the heater. And I'm eating these plantain chips. They're so good. They're from Inca chips. They're gluten free. Look at the ingredients. Gluten free. So we're just waiting for the train. It comes at 10:29. It's 10:23 right now, so we have a few minutes. Actually, I think I'm gonna go buy more of these chips. And Mama's gonna be like, you ODM, but it's gonna be like a 20-minute ride, and 2 of these for the ride will be great. Hey guys, so I should have put that tripod yesterday for my phone. So I got this flavor. This is the picante. No, yeah, the chili picante. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. But what's wrong? Oh, I think later on tonight when I get home, I'm gonna get my laptop and we're gonna go to Starbucks and we're gonna edit because I have like 3 videos to edit. 3. But right now I'm gonna start editing this vlog because I do have to get it edited because I don't want to compact myself all day on the weekend to edit. So we just got in the city, and my mom is with her high school best friend. They're catching up on life. So I'm vlogging, and it's a little cold. Okay. We're gonna get ran over. I'm not. Hey guys, so you know, of course we're at Starbucks. We have to stop at the Star Beasley. I'm trying to think, do I want a matcha latte or should I get a brown sugar shake and espresso? Because I know that's my go-to. But I think I'm gonna get a tall because it's cold. And I don't want a lot of cold, but then again I want something hot. Hey guys, so I got an iced white mocha. This is my first time trying it. I actually do like white mocha. I tried it in my what is that? My matcha latte before, and it was bomb. So I'm gonna try the whole drink now. I'm tired because I never walk this much. I know I have a car driver everywhere, but this is the only reason why I don't come to the city because you have to walk everywhere. And
I know, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, here we go. Yes.
hey guys, so right now we're about to go inside the show. We met some friends on the line. Say hi guys. Hey!
That's Cynthia.
Yes, that's Cynthia.
The regular.
Cynthia.
The real regular.
Yeah.
The real deal regular.
She's been giving us like updates on all the shows, what to expect.
Go to Sherry
Yes.
Show TV
Yes.
to get all your information.
Yes. And I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel. Everyone say hi. Say hi.
Look, they sound the release too.
Right? Oh yeah.
Three. Mira, espérate un momento.
A little bilingual. That's so
That's a
quiet.
We're gonna go in single file line, starting on the right side of the elevator, going in that direction. Once the show begins, make sure your phones are turned off. Phones need to be off once the show starts.
You're welcome. All right, take it easy. I'll see you later.
Say bye to the vlog. Bye. This is so fun. Behind the scenes of the Chevy Shepherd show. What the heck? Look at this. Why do they have two upside down like this? Oh shoot. Now I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel.
So you had a little something special in your water, a little vodka tonic or something. Listen, I'm so excited to have you. It's gonna make for good TV. And so let me start this thing off by saying,
Boo, get anything you want. So he literally, when I tell you, he spent a lot of money on the Louis Vuitton, and we've never had anybody say, here's the credit card, get anything you want. So all that stuff, and then there was still...
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
It's your guy Marco Glorious, and I'm here with the lovely Lacey. She was rocking at the Sherry show. She did it big. We was lit. We had a good time.
Yes.
It was legendary. You know what I mean?
Yes, show them what you be doing.
What I be doing? What you mean? You talking about my titties? Come on now.
Show them. I'm just recording your hands.
Hey guys, I'm back home. We're gonna do this little unboxing. So I got a laptop case for my laptop. I'll put the link in the description box. So it came with a screen protector. And then it came with a keyboard cover. A keyboard cover. This case is cute. I got a Okay, so this goes on the keyboard like so. So this is the laptop. This is the laptop. Oh, I made me a little screensaver. So cute. I made it on Canva last night. So we're gonna put this on. Okay, I like these. So now we're gonna close this stuff, and we're gonna put the bottom part on first. What the hell? Why did they have to put the plastic on like this? I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh yeah, look, it's glittery. It's so cute. So we're gonna put it on the back. I'm guessing it goes. Is that a crack? Oh no, it's not. This is really cute. Like my last laptop, I didn't have this for it. This is a really cute case. I just have to figure out how I can put the screen protector on, because I'm not good with putting screen protectors on. And then I have don't play with it. Don't play with it. This is so freaking cute. This is so cute. Let me see if I can see it like this. This is so cute. And then this is how the keyboard looks. And then, yeah, I got the screen protector on. It's lit. All right, now we're really, but it got those air bubbles. This is perfect for traveling. This is perfect for on the go. Like I'm protected, and it fits perfectly. I ordered this kit off of Amazon. It was $18. It came with the screen protector. I mean, a case for the top and the bottom, and then it comes with, oh, now my message is showing up. And then it comes with this screen protector, the keyboard case, and yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little the Sherry Shepherd show. I had so much fun. Like, I would go back. I met some cool people. Had fun with my mom and her best friend. They're crazy, okay? They are. But yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Later.